It's so peaceful here. It must be Allotment 25. Welcome. The other day my son asked me when I was going to get some more strawberries and cucumbers. So that's what we're here for. Strawberries and cucumbers. Let's do the cucumbers first. Let's see what we've got in there. Hopefully we've got some decent stuff. Can you see that? Lovely. Actually, there's quite a few here. Oh, some really large ones. There's about 4 hanging here. Oh, there's 2 more at the bottom. That's a decent size. Oh, look at the other plant. There's quite a few on there. What about this one? Yeah, brilliant. Look at that. Okay, I'm going to grab my scissors. As you can see in the background, the mango plant is looking decent. Let's get some of these cucumbers. Hopefully my son will be impressed. Or at least happy. This one looks like a decent one, so let's get this. There you go, look at that. Lovely. Let's get some of these ones at the top. Let me cut this leaf off. There you go. That's another very good size. Look at that. Wow. Actually, these are very good size cucumbers. Shop quality, actually. Look at that. That's the 4th one already. Do you think I should take that one off? Yeah, why not? Let's have it. Okay, let's go to the next one. There's quite a lot here. Let's get rid of these leaves. Don't need them. Right, let's get this one. If I take them down from the bottom, hopefully what that will allow the other baby ones to do is get all the nutrients that they need. Because at the moment, these ones at the bottom, they're taking everything, and it's just preventing all the nutrients from going up. So these little ones, as you can see, hopefully they should be ready soon. These ones are fairly decent as well. There's some more baby ones here. There, you can see that. Let's move on to the, oh my god, you're going to be amazed. Look at the size of that. Can you see? Good. Look at that. OMG. Let's get that. I mean, if my son's not impressed with that one, then he'll never be impressed. Look at that. Okay, let's cut some of this. Okay, we'll cut this one, and I think that will be it really. Taken most of the cucumbers off. What I've done is I've left some of the well, not some, most of the baby ones on there. Can you see? Yep. Hopefully now these will get the nutrients that they need to grow. So you never know. I'm going to be back here pretty soon asking for more. This is the watermelon plant. Started to flower now. Can you see them? So who knows? I might get some melons here as well pretty soon. I also noticed some of these runner beans, They've grown really big. Can you see that? It's a bit dark here with all the leaves. Here, look. There you go. So I think I'm going to come back and take some of this stuff home as well. Not bad, is it? So many. Look at that. Wow. I've come to the back of the trellis. Slightly easier to see all the runner beans from this side. So I'm going to try and cut some of this off. Try my best to get the recording for it as well. Let's see what we've got. Look at that. Let me show you some more that are hiding away. Yeah, look up there. Can you see them? Let's get them. Here's another one. I'm going to carry on with this. Just give us a few seconds and I'll be right back. The runner beans, they're not running anymore. Got them here. As per Allotment 25 tradition, I'll be sharing all of this with friends and family, as well as using them at home. I'll upload pictures on my Instagram page. It's at allotment.25. When you get a spare moment, have a look. It's strawberry time. Let's go and get some strawberries. Wow. Look at all these strawberries. Oh my God. OMG. Look at that. Strawberries everywhere. Red ones. Let me go and get a container. I'm going to need one. I've got my punnet. Got my scissors. Strawberries are there. Let's get some. Beautiful. Oh, this is a lovely red juicy one. It's actually really big. Get some more here. Even though there's so many red ones here, I'm actually amazed at how many ones that are not ready yet, which basically tells me there's plenty more to come, which is great. The allotment life. I didn't realize I'd be getting this many strawberries when I first started, actually. To be honest with you, I didn't really know what to expect, but I wasn't expecting this. Okay, look. Oh wow. Oops, there you go. Oh, I've actually accidentally cut a little baby one as well. Can you see? Oh, two. Never mind. Looking good. Okay, look. More there. More there. More there. Let me carry on picking some more strawberries. I'll fill the punnet up and I'll come back to you. There were so many strawberries, I had to go and get a second punnet. It's a good thing I came prepared. Isn't that great? Genuinely, they look Wimbledon quality. Strawberries and creams. Check this out. That's my spinach and lettuce. It'd be wrong of me not to take some of this home. How do I even attempt to cut these? I have no idea, but it has to be done. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to snip them at the bottom, so then hopefully they might grow again. Give me some more. Okay, let's go. First time ever. I don't know if you can see. Oh, here we go. Let's do some more. That was a good crunch. Oh wow, look at this, guys. Local market quality. Let's get some more. I think it might be easier if I just carry on doing this, and I'll show you the end result. I won't lie, it took me a little bit longer than I thought it would. Slightly out of breath, to be honest, but yeah, look at that. So much. I've had to leave quite a lot behind, so I'll come back for them on another day. Let me go and attempt the lettuces now. This took me longer than I expected as well. Again, I'm out of breath and sweating, but that's the life of the allotment. I've taken one row out, so that's basically one row of lettuce, and I've left 2 rows still in there. That's for another day. For today, this will be enough. Guess we're gonna have some sort of salad tonight. I was walking past the courgettes and I noticed this big boy. Courgette turned into marrow. It's the only one here, so I thought, you know what, let's have it. Just twist it. One twist and done. I believe that is the last of the courgette. I don't think there's anything left. If there is, obviously I'll let you guys know. I've truly been blessed today. Look, strawberries, 2 punnets, so many cucumbers, marrow or a courgette, whatever you want to call it, runner beans, spinach, and lettuce. 110% blessings. Thank you for joining me on this blessed day. I'm truly grateful. Please share, like and subscribe, and as always, I'll see you next week. Until then, look after yourself, take care, all the best, bye bye.